everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Boolean search on LinkedIn. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The LinkedIn Boolean search is a query technique that combines words and phrases with the Boolean operators that are and, or, not. You can use this to limit, broaden, or better define your search on LinkedIn. Simply tap open your LinkedIn application and go to the search box at the top. By combining terms with operators like and, not, or throughout your search on LinkedIn, you may conduct a Boolean search. If you want to look for an exact phrase, enclose the phrases in quotation mark. For example, if you want to look for product manager on your LinkedIn, then you need to first type in the quotation mark and type in product manager and enclose it with another quotation mark. Perform your search and you'll be able to search for an exact phrase that you've typed in your search box. If you want to run a Boolean search on LinkedIn by combining keywords with operators like and, not, or during your search, then in the search box, if you want to look for a programmer, not a manager, then type in programmer and you'll need to type not in bold letters and type in manager in the text box and perform your search. Once you do that, this will limit your search results. Similarly, you can also use or operator. To use or operator, you can type in sales or advertising and perform your search. You can see the result that includes one or more items in a list, which typically broadens your search result. Next, type in the word and in capital letters to see the result that includes all items in a list. For example, if you're looking for accountant and finance, simply type in accountant and in capital letters, finance in your regular letters, and perform your search. You'll be able to see the result that includes all items in the list. This will limit your search result for accountant and finance, and you'll be able to see the result on the next page. That way you can easily use Boolean modifiers to further refine your search to quickly and efficiently find candidates that fit your criteria. You can also use the parenthetical searches to refine your search with multiple terms. For example, account and finance, not manager, as I have typed in the text box over here. Perform your search and you'll be able to refine your search with multiple terms. That is how you'll be able to perform Boolean search on LinkedIn. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.